Can you guys imagine that a book like this can actually generate hundreds of millions of dollars? Well, the guy that you're seeing on screen right here, his name is Anik Singhal. I mentioned him in one of my last videos, and this is a guy who mastered the art of selling ebooks online. We kind of talked about this idea of generating passive income and really having ownership over your own assets, building your own landing page, creating your own ebook, and selling it on your own website, on your own platform. The reason why that's important is because you can charge more for it, you can choose niche and competition, and more importantly, you could generate a lot more income by taking control of the contact points of how you're reaching to your customers. When you upload to a simple Amazon marketplace or any kind of other platform, while that's amazing and it could generate income, but to rely on it solely could be problematic for some people. Some people want to step away from relying on large platforms and they want to kind of hold power in their own hands. That's the first thing. But more importantly, if you can sell an ebook on your own website, there's nothing that you can't sell. You can generate income forever. You can figure out different ways of different products that you can sell, because once you get the hang of learning how to sell on your own website, then you know exactly what to do. But this guy, Anik Singhal, is an example of a guy who sold this very book. This is the second edition, but the first edition and the second edition combined have generated over $100 million. Now that might sound insane, but this was the guy that I talked about in one of my last videos. I'll leave a link in the description to the entire ebook generating playlist so we can talk more and you guys can learn more and watch more on this ebook journey, I guess you could say, and you could subscribe if you want to see more content. But I actually want to show you how that web page looked like that generated for Anik over $100 million. So this is just a simple landing page. I'm using a website called the Wayback Machine. I don't know if you guys can see this, but on the left-hand side here, it's called Wayback Machine. And this website doesn't actually exist anymore because he retired. I mean, he's made hundreds of millions of dollars. That's not an exaggeration in sales. And there used to be a video here. Okay, and here it says where they're shipping to, your billing information, and what happens is when you pay for this, you would get a digital copy and you would get a physical copy. Now, in the real world today, we don't need to sell physical copies if we don't want to. I mean, I personally don't. I've sold thousands of ebooks online, and I've never shipped a single physical copy. And then this would be the rest of the landing page. As you would scroll down, you would see all kinds of different videos of testimonials here from people that know Anik. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a few minutes, but he would have his copy here. If you remember, one of the components to building a landing page that is very crucial is learning copywriting. Copywriting is not just simply writing, the benefits of a product on a page. That's not the case. There's a lot more to it. You have to dive deep into the psychology of the consumer. One of the things that Anik leverages in his landing page building is testimonials, is reviews. So what would happen here is you have the name of the person, and then you would have a video here. Now, the video here is, I believe, non-existent. I mean, there is no video. But at the time when you would go to this landing page, 8 years ago, back in 2016, there was a video here from Bob Proctor himself, Les Brown himself. Now, these names might sound familiar. Bob Proctor, Les Brown, Jimmy Kim. If you search these people's names, you'll know who they are. So, for example, let's search Bob Proctor. This guy right here, notice what he sells, eBooks. Do you think that this is some sort of coincidence? The answer is absolutely not. Anik Singhal, the way he made his fortune is he started writing books for other people, and he started creating landing pages for other people. Here's a cover of Les Brown behind his book. He helped Les Brown write this book. He put his website together. He did all that. And not just him, but his team. But you get the point here. Not just Les Brown, but Robert Kiyosaki. Yeah, Anik is responsible for Robert Kiyosaki's stuff. Okay? And there's a lot more people that do this. Let's use a perfect example here. If you guys are familiar with Russell Brunson, okay, let's pull up Russell Brunson, this guy. This guy wrote his own books. and he's a master in funnel building, and he owns a software. Well, he's not really a master in funnel building, but he owns a software that helps other people build funnels. And so he writes these 3 or 4 books and he sells them. Do you see a coincidence? All of the big players, right, leverage selling ebooks online to their customers, and they don't sell them for $2.99 or $9.99. They sell them for all kinds of prices. In fact, they actually do this to generate a real income. And what have I been telling you guys in my videos? In fact, let's actually go to my YouTube channel while we're talking. What have I been telling you guys? A big thing of what I've been telling you guys here could do is selling ebooks. Start generating an ebook. And I really like to talk about things that either you're interested in, or things that you're an expert in, or things you want to learn about. These 3 kinds of, I guess you can say, segments of what you can write about really, really help out. Now, I have a personal strategy. I like to niche down, but maybe you don't want to. It is what it is. You can choose how you do it. If you're, let's just say, a master crocodile hunter, you know how to hunt crocodiles, which, by the way, I went alligator hunting one time. It was a great time. But if you know how to hunt crocodiles, you can write an ebook on that. If you know how to, let's say, live outdoors with very low amount of resources, you can write an ebook about that. If you have a certain skill like crochet or playing pool or whatever it is, you can write a book about that. If you had personal experiences and lessons that you've learned from these personal experiences, guess what? You can write an ebook about that and make money from that too. And like I said, this is just a landing page that Anik has built, and he's built landing pages just like this for so many other people. If you want to see how to build landing pages like this, subscribe. We'll create future videos, and I'll actually create a whole website for free that you guys can access different resources on to learn about how to actually piece this whole business together. But the business works very simply. You have an interest, or you want to learn about something, or you're an expert in something, write an ebook on that. You figure out who's the market, who would desire that ebook the most, who would need it the most, right? Then you create a landing page and you market to that audience. And over time, through whatever kind of marketing strategy you want to use, you generate an income. The beautiful thing about this, like I said, is that you're not relying on a platform that doesn't belong to you. So for example, Amazon. Once again, I'm not hating on Amazon, but a lot of people upload books to Amazon, but you don't own Amazon.com. You don't get to contact that customer and sell them more products in the future. You also don't have the right to choose if you're on the platform or not. If they want to boot you off the platform, you're off. Now, once again, I have nothing against Amazon.com. In fact, I think a good recommendation is if you have the time, just take the ebook that you write and slap it on Amazon as well. Now, obviously, pricing can cause issues because if you're like me and you like to charge a lot for your ebooks, like $50, $60, $100, $75, or even $40, right? If you like to do that for certain topics, depending on the niche, then you might have to maybe lay off of Amazon because people will find your alternative, which is the same book, for a cheaper price at a different location. So that might not be a good idea. But if you're charging for the basic price, $19.99 or even $20, and you want people to maybe go on Amazon, maybe you can do that. There's different things that you can do. But the point is that having your own asset, learning how to market to that asset, which is your website, learning how to bring people to that website, learning how to convert people is a skill that really is invaluable. You can't put a number on that. Once you learn how to do that, and you actually learn how to make money from it, there's nothing you can't sell. You're always going to be financially free because you will always be able to think of something that you can sell, whether it be a physical product, a digital product, a service, right? So many different things that you can compile and you can sell and generate income over time. The number one reason people go to marketplaces, Redbubble, TeePublic, Amazon, KDP, FBA, all these kind of things, the number one reason is because they believe that the marketplace can help solve their problem, which is that they don't know how to generate traffic for themselves. That's the number one reason. Now, if you believe that to be true, and you truly want to learn how to build your own thing and generate traffic to it, then like I said, subscribe, wait for the content, get in tune with the content, and really build up on it. I'm going to build more content on this kind of stuff in the future. But I just wanted to inspire you guys by showing you guys this. Now, once again, this is an old landing page. Doesn't exist anymore. Onyx and Gall retired back in 2023, at the end of 2023. So he's made hundreds of millions, and I'm not exaggerating, multiple hundreds of millions of dollars, and he's retired. He's done with this kind of stuff. But you could see here he's wrote these books. This was Wayback Machine as well. He's wrote these books. He's actually wrote a couple more, but these were his main ones. And he's, like I said, he has equity in a lot of the other ones that he's created. I don't want to guess too much, but I know for a fact he's helped Robert Kiyosaki, he's helped Les Brown, he's helped Bob Proctor. All these people were his clients, and some way, somehow, he's probably generated profit off of them as well, helping them launch their ebook website building business. So it's a big deal, guys. Building that website, building that landing page, having an ebook, and selling it. Now, you can choose, based off of marketing over time, to be the face of it or not. Like here, Onyx chooses to be the face. Les Brown chooses to be the face. Me personally, I choose not to be the face of any of my ebooks. Why? Because I really don't care, right? So, for example, I might find an expert, or I might learn about, for example, taking steroids, right? Peptides, PEDs, things like that for, performance enhancements. I might learn all about it, become a super expert on it, write a whole ebook on it that's 250 pages long, obviously using AI and things like that. But I might write a really, really well-written ebook, create a landing page for it. I'm not going to put myself on the cover. I'm not some sort of bodybuilder, right? But I'll put a bodybuilder on there. I'll put different images on there. So I don't have to brand myself. I know some people think that you have to brand yourself. It's just different strokes for different folks. Everybody's a little bit different, right? Some people like to do things one way, and other people like to do things the other way. It doesn't really matter, but the point is you can get very flexible with this. It's a very forgiving, very customizable business, and there's no real forcible way to do this. Of course, there's structures, there's strategies, but there's no, you have to do it a certain way. You can be as creative as you want with this. So there's a lot of benefits to this. If you're interested in this, just leave comments down below. Like I said, I'm making more content on this. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments down below as well. I will address them. All right, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.